Hi. How to link Xianyu with Alipay? Come on. If you're buying or selling on Xianyu, linking into Alipay makes transaction simple and safe. Let's do it. The first pass is search this in Google. And next, you have three options: linking on a new account, linking an existing Alipay account, and two options. And you have important considerations. The first option, linking on a new account. Open the Xianyu app and go to our profile section. Yes, often called me. Find the settings icon and tap it. In settings, look for account security and choose the Alipay Associate registration option. Select the option for Alipay. It's usually indicated by the family blue Alipay logo. Follow the on-screen instruction to link your Alipay account to create a new Xianyu account. Second option, linking an existing Alipay account. Open the Xianyu app and log in. During the registration or login process, select the option to associate your existing Alipay account. If your Alipay account is from mainland China, you can log in without further verification. And you have three important considerations. Real name and authentication. To use all functions like posting products, you will likely need to complete real name authentication on Xianyu, which may require a Taiwan resident permit or a Taiwan compatriot permit. Payment integration. Alipay is Xianyu's primary payment method, and the app uses Alipay escrow service to protect both buyers and sellers. Free payment process for buyers in China. If you are in mainland China, you can link your Alipay or China's bank card for payments. Yes, this is. And that's everything, everyone. I invite you to subscribe, like the video if you enjoy it, and most importantly, share it with your friends. Until next time. Bye.